Welcome to Lesson Plus Driving School Nottingham. Are you looking for driving lessons? If so, you've come to the right place. We can help you to achieve your goal to learn car driving in Nottingham. Lesson Plus Driving School is very popular in Nottingham because we are very flexible towards pupils' required timings of lessons. You know why pupils choose Lesson Plus Driving School? Because we offer them full hour lesson, weekends lessons, animated app support, door-to-door service, learning videos, friendly environment, fast learning, no car sharing, evening lessons, always punctual, impressive pass rate, 4 languages including English, Urdu, Hindi and Punjabi. So contact us now, and book your driving lessons on your required date and time.